Are you tired of missing calls and potential customers? Do you wish you could be available to book new clients 24/7? Introducing RevBooker, the AI receptionist that's revolutionizing the way businesses operate. RevBooker answers every call, every time, ensuring that you never miss another opportunity.
Thank you for calling Elite Home Services. I'm Jamie. How may I help you today?
Hi, my AC isn't working right. The house is getting really warm. I was wondering if you guys could come out and look at it.
I'm sorry to hear you're having AC troubles. I can help connect you with one of our certified HVAC technicians. We offer same-day service and have technicians available in your area. Would you like me to send you a link to schedule a service appointment?
Yes, please, that'd be great.
I will text you a link to our scheduling page where you can see real-time availability and choose the most convenient time for you. Once you select your time slot, we'll send you some simple preparation tips for the service visit. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You'll receive the scheduling link momentarily. If you need immediate assistance or have any questions, please don't hesitate to call back. Stay cool, and we look forward to serving you.
Our advanced AI engages in natural conversations, answers questions accurately using your knowledge base, and even books appointments directly into your calendar, day or night. Imagine waking up to a full calendar of new appointments, all while you were sleeping. That's the power of RevBooker. But RevBooker is more than just an answering service. It's a complete business management solution. Our built-in autopilot CRM automatically captures lead information, nurtures prospects, and tracks every customer interaction. Real-time analytics provide valuable insights into your business, helping you identify peak booking times, popular services, and areas for improvement. RevBooker seamlessly integrates with over 5,000 popular CRM systems, streamlining your workflow and boosting efficiency. Businesses of all sizes are already experiencing the incredible benefits of RevBooker. Reduce customer support costs by up to 40%. Increase customer satisfaction with faster response times. Significantly reduce staffing and training expenses. Ready to take your business to the next level? Subscribe to RevBooker now and turn missed calls into revenue 24 hours a day. Don't let another opportunity slip away. Let RevBooker be your 24/7 revenue team.